10 grocery items about to get more expensive. Most people think grocery inflation already happened. It didn't. Not fully. Right now there's a delay between what's happening upstream, crop failures, supply shortages, fuel costs, and global trade disruptions, and what you still see on store shelves. That delay is closing fast. I went through supply reports and commodity data, and these are the 10 grocery items most likely to jump in price next. Let's count down. Number 10, spices: black pepper, cinnamon, cumin, paprika. Most spices come from only a few regions worldwide. Droughts, floods, and export problems have quietly pushed prices higher for years. Whole spices last 3 to 5 years stored properly, making this one of the easiest low-cost stock-ups you can make. Number 9, pasta: wheat prices, fertilizer costs, and energy expenses have all risen sharply. Major pasta brands have delayed passing those costs to shoppers, but that window is closing. Even store brands are starting to rise. Dry pasta stores almost indefinitely, so buying extra now could save money later. Number 8, frozen vegetables. Frozen vegetables are still a bargain, but production and storage costs have climbed steadily. Companies are absorbing those increases for now, but analysts expect prices to rise later this year. If you have freezer space, larger bags are still one of the best values in the store. Number 7, rice. Global rice markets changed after major exporters restricted supply. Prices spiked, and then stayed high. White rice lasts for years when sealed properly, making it one of the safest long-term staples to buy ahead. Number 6, canned fish. Tuna and salmon remain some of the cheapest protein sources available, but shrinkflation already hit this category. Many cans got smaller while prices stayed the same, and now prices themselves are climbing too. Canned fish lasts years, so stocking up now makes sense. Number 5, cooking oils. Olive oil prices exploded after poor harvests in Europe, and pressure spread to vegetable and sunflower oils too. Most market signals suggest prices will stay elevated through 2026. Just don't overbuy, oils eventually go rancid. Number 4, canned tomatoes. California's difficult growing season is finally working its way through the supply chain. Commercial buyers already increased inventory months ago, and retail prices are expected to follow. Canned tomatoes store for years and quietly support dozens of meals. Number 3, infant formula. This category is different because shortages become emergencies fast. The formula crisis in 2022 exposed how fragile this supply chain really is, especially for specialty formulas. If your child depends on a specific brand, keeping a rotating backup supply is simply smart preparation. Number 2, butter. Butter prices have climbed steadily because dairy feed, transportation, and processing costs all rose together. The good news is butter freezes extremely well for up to a year. Buying extra now locks in today's price before the next increase arrives. Number 1, coffee. Coffee is the biggest warning sign on this list. Brazil and Vietnam, the world's largest coffee producers, both faced major crop problems, causing global coffee bean prices to roughly double. Most grocery prices haven't fully caught up yet because companies were still using older inventory. That buffer is running out. Analysts expect coffee prices to rise sharply later this year, possibly 20 to 40% higher than today. Whole bean coffee freezes well, making this one of the smartest categories to buy ahead. Here's the bigger picture. Every item on this list follows the same pattern. Costs rise upstream first, companies absorb them temporarily, and consumers feel it later. That delay is the opportunity. This isn't panic buying. It's simply buying the things you already use before prices catch up. Which item surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments.